behind me are 100 months! And if they arrest us by the end of the day, they would have $1 million! But if we escape, they get nothing! Start the timer! Jimmy, try! You're there right on us! Don't worry, guys, I have a plan! Jimmy! Let's go! We gotta get out of here! Where do we go? Go! Oh my God, the last falling off! Me and my 4 friends just escaped from 100 real cops, at least for now. Good luck, everybody! They have until the end of the day to arrest us and to give us a fighting chance. I spent months setting up hundreds of cameras, booby traps, and secret rooms. Let's just hope it's enough to keep us from getting caught. You're under arrest! Everyone, go to your spot. Don't get arrested. All right, guys, Godspeed. We're gonna get something to clear that van. I'm the last one they're gonna catch. Jimmy, where are we going? Our first destination's right up here. We should have done more cardio before this. Here we go, baby. And just like that, we're at the first hiding spot. Darius hid inside a fort covered in hay. Get in there. We all quickly changed our clothes. I'm gonna change starting now. All right. And Allison.
You're here with the trash.
And before we knew it,
we got the fire out. Everybody split up.
The cops were already on our tail.
Hey, police! Frank, we're on our way. Over and out. Okay, meet me at the market.
About these straw bales right here.
That looks a little suspicious. Where we at, baby? Mr. Beast!
They're so close, I can hear them. I can hear them.
This is something. We're on somebody.
Show your hand! Show us your hand! What we got? What? What's your name? Darius? Let me go! Let me go!
Yeah, it's only been 10 minutes, and Darius has already been arrested.
I see so many cops go! They're forming a line and sweeping the city.
Officially at the market.
Tariq, we're heading your way. All right, I'll be ready.
All right, Tariq, hand me the map. They clearly formed a straight line and are going and checking every nook and cranny. Only weakness in that strategy, though, is if we can somehow sneak past the line, they're not going to suspect us to be in buildings they already searched. If there was ever a time to penetrate the line, it would be now. I got a plan, follow it.
I don't think the cops realize there's tunnels under the city.
Oh gosh, I think they're on top of us, guys. Let's just keep moving.
I'm currently sneaking through the sewer system underneath the city.
We might be able to make a run for it once we get above ground. There's a safe room where I left this detonator. Hopefully, the cops don't get there before we do.
You guys got 100K on them right here. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Hey, guys, if you can hear me. And they somehow found me. I don't know how. But please, just run. Find the best hiding spot.
Darius, you shouldn't be apologizing to us. You should be apologizing to your mom.
Yeah, she's watching us right now.
Oh yeah, for those of us who successfully survived this 12-hour police chase, unlike Darius, wins the $100,000 for their moms.
We had 5 suspects bail out. These guys are crafty, they're sneaky, they're unpredictable. All intel reports, anything that you see that's out of place, we need to know that. And remember, each arrest awards our department $100,000.
Oh, we are out in the open, boys. If my logic is correct, their line literally walked over top of us while we were in the sewer. So we're already behind the line. We should be able to just run across this field. Simple as that. And if we all get arrested, this video's screwed.
Should we drop this walkie?
Okay. Notice that you don't see any cops. Okay, we're 3 hours in. I think it's time this where we split off. Who wants to take the subway?
I'm good. I don't like the subway.
I can take the subway. All right, go down there. Okay. Nolan, come with me.
Where are we going? As far from the line as possible.
This is where I leave you.
All right, this could be the last time we see each other. Ever. All right.
Allison, I'm in the subway. Meet me there.
Hey, I think that's her.
Oh no! Guys, bad news! Bad news!
Stop right there. You're under arrest.
Jimmy, they're on us.
In the back left corner, there's a secret hiding spot. Pull on the wall.
It opens. Please, anyone here? Some cops are coming. Oh my god.
This has got to be the most embarrassing thing I've ever experienced in my entire life.
The reason I've been trying to get to this school is because I have a hidden room planned here that they're never gonna find. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. No, they found my hidden room.
Even though they found my secret room, they didn't grab this detonator. I'm putting this in my bag with $100,000. This is gonna come in handy.
handy later. You'll see why. Thankfully, the cops didn't realize that this remote allows this TV to swap through every single camera across the city. I suspect that he'll be back at this school, so I need you to back up. Okay.
Nolan, I got the detonator.
Okay. Alright. This might be the riskiest part of the entire video. To do what I'm thinking, I need to get on top of a really tall building.
At this point, we're halfway into the challenge. The majority of our hideouts have been exposed, and Darius has been arrested. Which is why what you're about to see is my backup master plan, hopefully unfolding as I intended. And it all starts with what Nolan is about to do.
Yo, what's up?
That's Nolan! Go!
That's it. Yeah, I saw it. Get the camera!
Go, Taylor, go!
For this next diversion, I really just wanted to have a lot of explosions. It might not make much sense, but man, does it look epic.
We can't see anything.
We're not gonna catch him.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love you, Mom!
We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh my god, that was the coolest thing I've ever done.
Nolan, you're welcome. Anyways, my next plan is a little bit more useful.
Let me introduce you to my doppelganger. Wait, do a smile. Okay, he's not the only doppelganger here. I have over 50 doppelgangers in the city. I need you to take all my doppelgangers to the movie theater. And when a bunch of cops go to search it, lock the door behind them. I can do it. All right, that's me. Good luck. Go. Go.
Scanning. Guys, come on in. Over here. Hey, stay police. You need to stop. Hold on. Everybody's got a backpack and wearing all black. Run into the movie theater. We need more backup.
Stay police, don't move! Where do they go?
They're in here.
But what the cops don't realize is that there's one way in and no way out. Knowing that the cops are going to be trapped for the next few hours, I subjected them to one of my all-time classics. Me counting to 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Nolan, we lost so many cops at the movie theater. Did you make it to the safe house?
I think we found it. There's a door. What is this? What is this? Alright, wait. Okay, so this is weird. Jimmy, I'm locked inside the building and the door will not open.
You are now locked inside that shed.
This door's locked too. Nice.
The reason why you're in there is because
You'll have to win a 2v2 in COD Mobile to sponsor this video, which if you do,
you will unlock some very special stuff that will make it very easy for you the rest of this video. Good luck, Nolan.
win a COD Mobile or we're screwed.
Okay, I need to hurry.
Right now, I just gotta focus on not getting caught. There's a nice little Feastables cafe. I'm gonna go hide in there.
Let's go. Okay.
Hey, somebody's in that doorway right there.
We're gonna enter the front.
Okay, I've got back.
Somebody's here. Somebody's hiding.
I've played a lot of Call of Duty in my day, so this should be pretty easy for me. Oh, it's the Call of Duty Ghost map.
Featuring classic multiplayer and battle royale action, Call of Duty Mobile is the ultimate mobile FPS experience.
There's a trap door.
This ain't open. Get out.
I mean, it's like the freest rewards I've ever gotten in my life. But never mind, you got me.
Hop into COD Mobile right after this video, because if you do, you get a free Mr. Beast calling card, and you can jump right into Season 7, where you can earn free, time-limited COD points just by playing during the COD Point Rush event. I might get out soon. All you have to do is log in and play to earn. So just scan this QR code or click the link in the description to download Call of Duty Mobile today.
Yes!
See that? Victory. Thanks to COD Mobile, I can get in here now because the code, it says, is 000. I probably should have been able to just guess that. We'll see what's inside. No way.
I think the cops are surrounding me. I'm so scared.
Cowboys! Somebody get on the trap doors so we can't get out.
Get him! Let's go!
No! Stop! You're under arrest. How many of you did it take, huh? Is it 100 out there?
Is this your 100K?
Yeah, can you
It's ours now.
Jimmy, Nolan, Allison, I've officially been caught.
They just arrested Tariq, so I'm going to use it as a diversion while they're celebrating. I'm going to get far away from here.
You guys do that for all your prisoners? Darius!
I see you have been caught.
Your cell has your name on it.
No way. Oh! What even is binoculars? What? These are night vision goggles. It's a ghillie suit. I'm gonna blend in anywhere I want to. Okay, what else do we got here? We got smoke grenades. What is this? It's a UAV. You can see exactly where everybody is. Tariq and Darius are in jail. Dude, this is so OP.
Dispatch, it's Nightcrawler. It's a dang ghost town out here. Anyone else seeing anything? We'll just have to wait until they slip up.
Alright guys, the sewer system has an underground entrance into the prison. What if we use that to help Darius and Tariq escape?
I'm over it.
Darius, can you reach my hand?
Don't go too fast, don't get caught.
Power pressure.
I'll see you there in 5 minutes.
If they skirt out, which they possibly are going to do, you'll be set in position to intercept them.
We're gonna search everything again, just in case we miss anything. We'll find it.
Still making my way over to the movie theater.
Yo, this is Nolan. I'm looking at the UAV right now. Jimmy, there are a lot of cops around. Is that you above me?
Yeah, that's me. Okay, Allison, I don't see any cops, but you go ahead.
If I see flashlights, I need to worry.
Jimmy, there are literally cops right in front of you.
Oh my gosh, cops. There's literally 2 cops right over there. Okay, I thought it was fully in the clear. I'm not yet. Give me a minute. Jimmy, you need to hide right now. I'm just gonna lay right here beside the cars. I gotta turn this light off. They're gonna see me. I gotta turn it off. Okay. I'm hiding in a shadow right now. We gotta turn all lights off, even this camera.
Hey guys, come over here. Yeah, we're gonna red up.
I can't believe I just got away. Shout out to Nolan. I was cooked. Alright guys, I'm on my way over to the movie theater. Allison, where are you at?
I'm behind the movie theater. Jimmy, I see you. I'm behind you.
Oh, there you are. Okay, nice to see you again.
Oh my gosh.
You might be wondering why they haven't found us. Turn the night vision off. This is what they see without a flashlight. So obviously you guys can see everything, but it's really hard with the naked eye right now. Alright, Nolan, I'm with Allison. How far out are you?
I have the movie theater in sight. Give me 4 or 5-ish minutes.
Well, how about you get your ish over here right now?
Give me 1 second.
Something I want to do so bad.
17,665, 17,666, 17,666.
This Nolan.
You see this? Isn't his donut look good?
Hey, we didn't talk about this. Now it's on, Nolan.
I'm gonna go finish it.
Shouldn't have started that. Start tracking what they're wearing.
Nolan's in a ghillie suit.
Hey, all right, listen, we got intel. One of the suspects possibly in a ghillie suit.
What we're about to do is either going to be freaking awesome or the dumbest thing we've ever done, and all 3 of us are going to get caught.
Let's hope it's freaking awesome.
There's a building with an underground tunnel that runs directly to the jail, which also happens to be the police headquarters. And if they spot us, that tunnel is the only way out.
You know, we are literally going into the one place we are trying to avoid right now.
Breaking these guys out of jail might be the dumbest thing I have ever done, but I couldn't let Tariq and Darius go home with nothing for their moms. So I sent my doppelganger to police HQ with a brilliant plan to distract the cops.
Let's go check it out. Got a bunch, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
It's a distraction, though, for sure. He's somewhere. Yeah.
All right, last chance to chicken out.
Nah, I'll just stay in the middle. I feel kind of safe right here.
I'll stay at the back so I can run away faster than you guys.
We're about to walk underneath the entire city. I'm gonna show you an uncut shot of how long this tunnel is. Allison, we're there.
We're there?
Well, by there I mean another giant long tunnel.
Oh, man.
Another time lapse. We're getting kind of close. Around this corner is the prison. Let's see if there's any cops. What do you see? It looks empty. I can see the jail cells down the hall.
It's only been like, what, 10 hours for you?
If you don't be quiet.
I just heard Darius. I heard Darius. By the way, There's now 2 hours left in the challenge.
We're that close.
Yeah.
I don't see any cops.
Should we go check it out? Yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, let's go in. Let's go. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done.
Do you see anyone?
No, coast is clear.
This might be where I chicken out.
Wait. Stop. It's a cop!
Just run. He saw us. He saw us.
This is a horrible idea. This is a horrible idea.
Say, please stop! Jimmy, if that's you, please come get me! Help!
I don't think he heard that. You want to say that?
Help!
Jimmy, go ahead of me. Go ahead. Go.
Nolan! You should drop the smoke grenade!
Suspects dropped a smoke bomb. Unsafe to continue pursuit. Suspects still on the run in the tunnels.
We might be trapped. They probably know where the exit is. Oh no. We could be cooked. This could be it. Allison! Did we lose her? Oh my god. Why did Allison stop? Not good. We gotta get out of here quick. Because they might be waiting for us. Come on, Nolan. I'm following you. This way. Allison, sacrifice yourself. We gotta get as far away as possible. They're gonna swarm this place.
Units searching south end of the tunnel. Send units to the north end.
Perimeter guys, let's get out on the road now.
One of the suspects getting ghillie suit. There's only one way out of that tunnel. Flood the exit. Go!
I got the boys in the tunnel. I'm hiding in the wall. I'm gonna turn my light off now because I don't want to be seen.
Let's form a skirmish line right here. We're gonna walk towards those buildings.
Nolan, Jimmy, do you copy?
Yeah, Allison, is it you?
Yeah, guys, I found a hole.
Wait, did it catch you?
No, I was hiding. I found a hole in the wall.
That's clutch.
Come meet us at the containers. Hurry, the cops are coming.
10-4, I'm halfway there.
We're gonna converge on this last location. Let's execute. Let's go.
Switch to nitrogen. I see flashlights.
Lights on all this stuff right here.
This way. Come on.
Alright, guys, the cops are getting close. They're getting close. I'm just gonna hide in the woods. I don't know about this.
In the wood line. Let's check the wood line.
Oh no, I think they're coming. Oh gosh, there's the lights.
Oh, we're gonna circle around here, yeah.
You don't see light in there?
Oh no, I think they're coming. Oh gosh.
Right there. I see eyes. Right there in the trees.
11 hours ago, we set out to pull off the impossible. Even in a city entirely designed to outsmart and outrun 100 cops, this is still proven to be a true test. And now, entering our final minutes.
Guys, they caught me.
All that we have left to do is our last.
You'll never catch Jimmy.
The search area that we're gonna be hitting is right here. Target area. 360, guys.
They're right there. I think we should go left. No, they're that way.
360 scan right now. In case they're moving walls, they're taking her to
Come over here.
Follow me.
Reset and walk.
Go. Hurry. Keep going.
She's gotta be in a container.
Jimmy. We're surrounded. Come on, let's go deeper.
Oh no.
It's a dead end.
I made a mistake.
Hey, set a perimeter. Let's push it out.
We are surrounded by the cops.
North side of the road. Set up the perimeter.
They're right there.
Spread out.
Frick.
Let's go.
Get out. No.
Put him in handcuffs.
We're so close. You got me. Oh my gosh, there are so many cops. With that hour and a half remaining, they have officially caught all 5 of us and won that $500,000. Congratulations!
Before I go to jail,